My best. Have yourself a good day. My name is David. I'm a physical therapist working with Restore Perform. I wanted to take a moment to present to you the marketing pamphlet and presenting what we're about, how we like to do things. And we're a private home care company that can meet you as a physical therapist or as a health coach and support you. It can be as early as the hospital or as later goals at the airport. And we can even fly with you to get you home or get you to destinations in the East Coast and Midwest. Every client that participates with us will get a kit. A success kit means one folder with the most interesting and supplemental biohacking information for you for your human potential. And then the other is a beautiful paper bag that includes probiotics. 70% of immunity is in your gut, and we want to be pro-human probiotics. We want to help you recover from the prebiotics, and we just want to advocate for this. Hydration is important with mineralization, so we include a kit that has minerals and electrolytes. We also give you a ball of pressure releasing ball with a guide to go with that. And we want to meet you at the higher performance level because we believe in you. We service Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Bonita Springs, and the surroundings, Naples. I wanted to also go next into the points where we can also show you value and what it means to be proactive. Functional decline costs families in hidden ways. Older adults who stop exercising after illness or hospitalizations are 3 times more likely to need long term care. This is placement. This is leaving the house, leaving memories, leaving an important egg nest where you used to live. Assisted living facilities cost between $5,000 to $12,000 a month. Compared to a relationship with us, this is a lot most cost effective. 1 out of 4 adults will fall each year, and $30,000 to $50,000 this will cost. Falls are the leading cause of injury in older adults after 65 years old. Participation in strength and balance and conditioning exercises decrease the chance of needing long-term placement up to 30%. Here's an interesting one. Hospitalizations, 1 day equals to 1.5 muscle strength loss potential. In 10 days, the client has already lost a full year of normal aging-related potential or strength. So let's be a partner. Please consider us. Give me a call. Give me a chance to speak to you and share health, share wellness, share mindset, mindfulness. It'll be nice. Have an excellent day. Take care. My name is David with Restore Perform. Happily working here with a happy team about it.